Alright now my peeps, yeah man, welcome back. Yeah man, today me just draw up a little idea and say how I got roast one fish already catch from out the last video. Yeah man, cause we never do no cook up in another video there, you know my peeps, yeah man. So me decide say how I gotta do a cook up today. Yeah man, so just go and stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Hit the post notification bell. See you soon the video them dropping, guys. Until then, catch you guys when I light up the fire. Man, fire time and I'm gonna light up, you know. Go on. Alright now peeps, so forgot my file paper, you know. Forgot to buy the file paper when I go up on the road all ago. So I got just cut 2 green stick. Yeah man, to put the fish on, you see me? Yeah man, so just go and stay tuned. So go on. I dry up like this and peep. Yeah man, and just cut them out. Guys, see what I got? Fish well seasoned up, you know, man. Yeah, man. The one piece fish pan the fire, you know? Yeah, man. Just there, go on easy, but me alone, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, bad no tree there. Alone, I go on. Now I'm out and I cook, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, now peeps, yeah, man, so I go on. Man, fish don't roast and jump off the fire, you know? Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Alright, now peeps, yeah, man, so I go on. Let's get in a fish, you know? Yeah, man. So I go on. Yeah, man. Home style, you know? Fish nice. See me? peeps, the fish juicy, you know, man. Season up really right, you see me? Yeah, man, season right on the fish, man. Man peeps, so that man peeps, yeah, it's kind of nice and blue. Yeah, man. Got that. Alright now peeps. Yeah man, we just reached one the end of another epic one, you know? Yeah man, just always remember to do a like, comment, share and subscribe with them people. Yeah man. Until then, catch you guys on the next epic adventure, you know, peeps. Yeah man. Just thank everybody for the support that I get from everyone, you know? Yeah man, peeps, just go and keep it up. Yeah man, some epic content coming right now. Yeah man, underwater footage and them thing there. Yeah man, so just stay tuned. See what I go on.